It's so fun. And now let's get into elevator, guys. What's this? Oh no, this is FNF 1. Where is Freddy? Okay, let's get right into the video. Guys, there's so much player in this elevator. Oh no. Who is starving? I hope it's not me. Wow, guys, I get this. Ow! Where's the next bots? There's the next bots. So scary. Okay, guys, I will skip this. I will skip this. Okay, guys, there you go. Look at these bacons. They're so cute, right, guys? Bacons are cute. Oh, hell, no, I'm not going there. That is scary. Don't push me off. Don't push you off. Don't push this bacon off. Sorry, bacon. Yay! Yay! Now we safe in elevator. Wait, I got what? Wait, guys, I got wait, be right back. Okay, back. LOL. not a hide in the closet.
Lakers lead by 6. That's the Bills. Bell with Charlotte outside Jefferson.
Finally, guys, we survived the round.
Difference in the game. One team was pounding the glass relentlessly, while the other team.
What this?
3-point land.
AK.
Freeze now in the first
Okay.
quarter. Now, here is Russell. Guarded
LOL.
Brown outside. Out to Russell. With the teardrop, and it's good on the way in. Russell's got his third
Oh,
basket of the night right there. You know, you look at the floater, it's an effective shot for Russell. And when he doesn't want to go all the way to the rack, you got to have that in your book bag. Unstolen by Russell. And here's the fast break. And Reddish with the slam. Well, they weren't going to pass up the
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.